You and your team can work together in your Formaloo workspace. With access management and data security, you can manage who has access to what data. When you sign up at Formaloo, a new workspace is automatically created for you. You can see it on the left sidebar of your dashboard. To change your workspace settings, click on your profile icon and open the Workspace Settings page. Here you can change your workspace name and set a subdomain or a custom domain for your Formaloos. You can upgrade your workspace plan using the Upgrade button on your dashboard. When you upgrade your workspace plan, it will automatically upgrade your team members' plans on the same workspace. Easily add your team members to your workspace by clicking on the workspace members in the menu under your profile icon. Then, add their email addresses or share the invitation link to join your workspace. When you add team members to your workspace, they won't have access to your folders and Formaloos unless you share with them. To share a folder or Formaloo with someone, right-click on it and select the Access Management option. Choose the person's email address and access level on the open page and click Add to save changes. Also, it's good to note that only the workspace admins can manage third-party integrations like syncing data with Google Sheets. This ensures that your data is safe and that only admins can make a copy of it in other apps. You can only share full access to the responses with your workspace team members. So if someone isn't in your workspace team and you want to share full access to the responses, first add them to your workspace. Also, you can share the read-only and the read and edit responses access with everyone, even if they're out of your workspace team. Furthermore, you can build membership-only portals where your customers can sign up and log in to view your app. To do so, enable the portal mode from the App Settings pop-up window. Then, open the Users page, enable the portal mode, and create your users table. Also, enable the sign-up functionality to allow your users to sign up for your app. To manage the access level of a page, click on its settings icon, and change the visibility settings. You can make the page accessible for the public, non-logged-in users, logged-in users, specific user access levels, all team members, or some team access levels. This video reviewed different ways you can collaborate with your team members and customers on your apps and forms. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos every day. Happy Formalooing!